This week, we're in San Jose at the Cannabis Business Summit Expo, seeing some of the brand new technologies that is helping this cannabis manufacturing industry as it continues to explode. More than 10,000 attendees visited 400 exhibitors and heard from 150 speakers, all talking cannabis regulation, legalization, and manufacturing.
Well, bringing cannabis out of the illicit market and allowing legitimate business people and innovators to take part in it has led to an explosion in technological advances in everything from processing to computer programming to the products that people actually get directly to them from the consumer end. And I only see this increasing as the years go by and as more and more state markets open themselves up and as we get more federal policies that are conducive to normal business operation for the cannabis industry.
The industry still faces many challenges, including remaining illegal on the federal level and the stigma that goes with that. But public opinion has been changing. More than 60% of Americans support legalization, and it's meant big business. Colorado and Washington have done more than $1 billion in recreational sales. California has done even more, closer to $3 billion. Even Alaska generated around $40 million in sales last year. But working with cannabis and hemp is inherently difficult. Subtle differences in lighting, humidity, nutrition, and even water purity have incredible impacts on total yield. The show in San Jose showcased cutting-edge technology that stands to improve crop production and processing exponentially, as well as impact the entire process from cultivation to manufacturing through distribution.
We're definitely attracting some advanced technology. The extraction machines are always really impressive. There's other types of machinery that prepare or trim or roll cannabis, or there's packaging, assembly lines. There's ways to make doing business in the cannabis industry better, faster, cleaner, and more efficient. So the product is better and we can make more money.
Right now, the industry is experiencing the kind of entrepreneurship that happens when you take a formerly illicit market and open it up for business. It also opens up a growing job market.
I mean, the first piece of advice I would say would be to anybody entering the industry is to bring the skills that you have. You know, not everybody is either qualified or will be successful at being a cultivator or a processor, but there are just innumerable job opportunities in the cannabis industry, particularly in the ancillary businesses. I mean, NCIA's membership is almost 70% non-plant touching businesses. So I just recommend for people to take the skills that they have and try to craft that around a cannabis structure.
It's a great show so far. We've actually had some pretty good, some really good conversations, really interesting people, and actually we haven't, it's been a very high value conversation show. We're not having a lot of lookers come by, so from our perspective, it's great.
Next year, the summit is moving to San Francisco, but if 2019 is any indication, the show and the industry it supports will only continue to grow. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.